Happy Vlogtober day 8. Happy Wednesday. It is 5:52 a.m. We're well, I am ready. The mister is getting ready now. Today we're gonna leave Vermont. We stayed near Montpelier, which is the state capital of Vermont. We're not gonna visit Montpelier because we don't have time. Yesterday was a go, and we drove from Boston to straight up on Route 100 all the way up to Waterbury, and now we're leaving Vermont. We're gonna head into New Hampshire, the state of New Hampshire, and we're gonna drive the Kancamagus. They call it the Kanks or Kancamagus highway. It's one of the most scenic foliage drive. Yesterday we drove on the Route 100, and in the beginning of the route everything was like trees were bare, but it still had nice foliage up towards the end of the route. But yeah, today, do I need to put lotion on my face? Today we're gonna do New Hampshire. Well, we're gonna check out. We were only here in this hotel for one night. We're gonna check out of this hotel, which is in Vermont, and we're gonna stay overnight in New Hampshire. We're pretty much packed up, and we're gonna see if we can have something for breakfast, because breakfast is at 6 o'clock, and then make our way out. But happy Vlogtober day 8. Happy Wednesday. Come along with us today. Got my breakfast, 2 sausage and a everything bagel with cream cheese. It's drizzling, you guys. It did show it was gonna rain today, so maybe less people will be out this morning. We just put some gas into the car. Irving gas station. We were like quarter tank, I believe, and I didn't want to take the chance, but the mister went into the store. This is our surroundings right now. Oh, it's freaking cold. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this. We are at Echo Lake Beach. That's where we're just freaking cold. Oh my goodness. Freaking freezing. We made it to the Kancamagus highway. So the first stop on this side, we're on our road, would be the Lincolnwood Trailhead. It has a suspension bridge. So we're gonna take a walk. It's raining. It's the White Mountain Lincoln Woods. You can hear the river. Wow, that's we're the only couples, us, them, and us is here. Wow! Oh my goodness. So this is pretty. We're on a suspension bridge, so you guys, we are at an elevation of 2,855 at the Kancamagus Pass. Ta-da! Up here smell like Christmas trees. Ta-da! And it's freaking cold.
Really? What?
No, it's not now. It's. We're at the Sugar Hill Lookout. We made it to Rocky Gorge. I think this is the third to the last before we head out. Oh my goodness. I love that it's raining. It makes it feel more fall. Like, yeah, there's another bridge, I guess. Look at the leaves. Huh? Oh, the pine. We're gonna try and walk this.
Oh, that's it.
Okay, we made it to the lower falls. I think we can walk on all the way down there, but it's freaking windy and cold. You want to walk? There's a trail. I wonder what do they see.
Where?
The trail goes down that way.
Do you?
We're coming to the end. So that would be the last observation deck. And then, oh, look at that view. We made it to the deck. And this is the lower falls. That's where I was just walking on. And this is the lower falls. Okay, our last stop for the Kancamagus road trip. Oh my goodness, look at that dog. Let me turn you around. Oh, the Christmas tree. Oh, the pine tree smells good. Look at the structure building of this bridge. Oh my goodness. We're not turning around, sis. Now if it says we're gonna get there at 12:45 then.
When possible, make a U-turn.
We are at Mount Washington. We are at Mount Washington Cog Railroad. We're gonna ride the mountain. We're gonna ride the train up to Mount Washington. There's actually a way you can drive up there or you can hike up there. But we're gonna take the train. You guys wanna see what we are looking at today? We're gonna go up there. I have to wait. We'll be waiting at platform A. And then it goes all the way up there. I have my gloves in my bag, and I bought me a scarf. It's gonna be cold up there, really cold. And there's the mister, he's walking. Took us about an hour and a half, no, maybe about an hour, a little over an hour from the Kanks to get here.
You have a different brakeman on the way down, but you're on a group, you pretty much got handled, but if you're not in a group, make sure you don't lose your ticket, alright? You will not see me on the way down. Different coach, different locomotive, same platform. There'll be a platform A when you guys embark, when you come back on the summit. Here's my quick safety point. You guys know our number one industry in New Hampshire what it is? The last 130 years? Tourism. This is where the fat cats came up. The Vanderbilts, Carnegie, Snedders, they all came up here to party. So I don't say thank you for taking the call. We are the most dangerous mountain in the world. We have more deaths per height than any other mountain in the world. Which I'll give the details. Why we're dangerous. You're on a trail, you're on a rail, don't worry, we got this, right? Also, we're the first con railroad system in the world. So I'll tell you why. The Swiss and Germans copied this, we're the first mountain train. So there's some unique things about this, right? He's gonna toot his horn here soon though, so I don't want to interrupt it. They'll tell me a few things, what you know. That tells me three things. If you want to stand up, you can stand up. Shoot. I try to get out of your way so you guys got a good view. And also, hold on to your hats. We're at our top speed. 5 miles an hour. This is it. So we're going to go 45 minutes to get up there. We're going to be up there for 55 minutes with your group on the summit. I won't be with you, but you'll be up there for 55 minutes. And then 45 minutes to go back down. So it's about a 3-hour tour. What could happen wrong on a 3-hour tour? Right? Have you ever heard anything happen wrong in that? Okay, so we're good. Alright? So we're at 2,700 feet elevation right now. We're going to get up at 6,288 feet. We got a little over 3,000 feet to go. I think too highly of my audience to pull that prank on you guys. Usually on your bucket list is to see a moose, right? Well, the chances of you seeing wildlife, by the way, are not very good. The train's so loud. They'll scare all the big mammals away. I'm not saying it can't happen. It's very seldom. The best chance to see wildlife, by the way, is
I can't turn you around. We stopped at a Dollar Tree. It's right across of the hotel where we're staying at. Look at the Christmas trees right in front of it. Right now it's 61 degrees. Kind of nippy outside. We're heading out. We're gonna find a place. Did Mr. want to go look for a place? The market?
Mm-hmm.
Someplace market. And then we're gonna get something to eat and call it a day. Look at that backdrop, you guys. So pretty. Right now it's like 60 degrees. Market basket. We're gonna get something to eat and then head back. We found mountain moose. Took us a while, but we found the mountain moose. It's noodles and Asian street food. They have an outside sitting area also, but you know what? It's kind of nippy. We're doing it to go, so we can go back to the room and eat. We got our food. I'm gonna show you guys our food fast kind because we're starving. So this is the buns with pork. The mister got a super bowl. I think that's it. And then you got red curry with that. Then where's my reggaeton? They forgot my crab wontons.
It's not on. Oh.
So my son is a bibimbap, but I don't like runny eggs. Not running, because I didn't get the runny eggs. I asked if she could cook it all the way. But this is our food, minus the crab rangaton.